This is why I use a pellet grill on all of my meats in big events. At Christmas I do a turkey, Easter I do a lamb. So let me break down why I do that. But first, let's just get this ready, put it in, and then we'll show you the reasons. So the pellet grill I use is Traeger, and as you can see at the moment it's at 149 degrees. So all you do is turn it on, and that's it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to quickly wrap this in foil, and we're going to put it in. So let's do that, and then let's carry on, and I'll talk to you why I think it's such a good idea. Alright, it's wrapped in foil. So what all you got to do is put the foil around the tin. It's very, very simple. And I'll just get that in the pellet grill. So let me show you. So as you can see, she is in the pellet grill. So we're going to set that at 150, and it will take about 3 hours. And I am going to do a short of when it's done. But this is a video about why I use a pellet grill. So let's go. Alright, number one, how many times have you had lots of people come around your house and you're trying to cook meat and the oven is full? So you've got potatoes, you've got all your other bits you want to do. If you haven't got a massive, massive oven, which I don't, this is so much like an oven. You just set the temperature on these pellet grills. You don't have to worry. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, so it can tell me the internal temperatures and everything. So number one, it frees up space in your kitchen, and when you've got a big family coming over, that is important. Number two, personally, being wood powered, which I will show you here, okay, these are just pellets, I think you get a lot nicer flavour. You can do it nice and slow, and you get a real, like a barky texture at the end, which I'll show you on the short, so make sure you check back for sure. You get a real nice, thick, strong flavour, and if it's something you like a smoky flavour, it really is good. So that's the second point of why this is better than an oven. Now, number three, now I know you can with ovens, you can get different things, and some of these fancy ovens probably can do this, but having a temperature probe that you can just plumb in, forget it, you do not need to open this. Okay? When it is cooking, you do not need to open it. It's not like a normal barbecue where you've got to worry about flames. It doesn't work like that. So the fact that you can just literally set your temperature, plug it in, it's done. It's as good as an oven, but tastes better. So temperature control is definitely a big one. Number four, if you're like me, I actually like to cook outside. There's something nice about being able to stand outside in the fresh air, not all stuffy in the house when everything's going on. You can just stand out, come out here, check it if you want to. You don't need to because it's that good, but I do check it. And it's just nice. You'll be away from the family, everyone's talking, and you can just focus. If you're into your needs, you can just focus on it outside. So it's as easy as that. You know, it really is that easy. And finally, because it burns pellets, so there's initial light up, which costs money on electricity, but realistically, I think it's cheaper, especially if you're doing something for 4 or 5 hours, and in an oven using quite a lot of energy. This doesn't. It is just a hot thing with a small fan blowing. So if money is a thing, use this. Why heat a big oven up just to do that? You can just have this running away, purring like that. So everyone, if you are interested, check back in the short later for what the end result is.